as one of 50-50 joint venture in China, Chongqing Engine Company, CCEC, was established in the year of 1995, producing Cummins K, M, N series mechanical and electronic engines, covering 11 to 50 liters engines with the power from 145 to 1,656 kilowatts. CCEC engines are widely used in energy, marine, construction machinery, water pump set, and railways applications.
Hi everyone, this is Jasper from ConMac, part of EMAC Group. In this video, I will introduce CCEC KTA50-C1800 Industrial Engine. CCEC KTA50-C1800 Industrial Engine is a V16 engine, which is a V-type engine with 16 cylinders. The displacement is 50.3 liters. The overall dimensions of CCEC KTA50-C1800 Industrial Engine is 3000 mm by 1800 mm by 2500 mm, and the net weight is 4946 kg. CCEC KTA50-C1800 Industrial Engine comes with PT fuel pump and equipped with turbocharger and aftercooler. The full loaded fuel consumption is about 319.7 liters per hour. The standard CCEC KTA50-C1800 Industrial Engine comes with following accessories: water pump, pre-lubricating system, hydraulic start motor, oil filter, fuel pump, turbocharger, flexible coupling, engine fan clutch, fuel filter, ConMac provides abundant optional items, mainly including cooling system, engine control panel, air filter, muffler, PTO, transfer case, and other customized accessories. With a professional and experienced engineering team, ConMac also provides customized modification services for all of our customers, such as oil pan type, fan position, fan type, dipstick position, flywheel and flywheel housing size extra. We can also provide explosion-proof modification for oil and gas industry, and we have capability to satisfy most of our customized requirements on our engine and engine power pack.
Committed to providing reliable premium power system for global construction machinery manufacturer, ConMac is a sub-brand of the EMAC Group that focuses on construction machinery application based on dozens of world-class renowned diesel engine manufacturing resources in China, as well as relevant construction machinery transmission and hydraulic supporting component suppliers. ConMac provides one-stop solutions from pre-design to component supply, from installation to commissioning, from pre-sales communication to after-sales service support. ConMac's products range are Caterpillar, Cummins, Dutz, CAMC, Weichai, and other well-known brands of construction machinery engines, related accessories, and complete power pack. Our products are widely used in mining, metallurgy, loading and unloading, airport, forklift, oil and gas, etc.
A promise is a promise. EMAC continuously upgrade our products design and quality standard. We will continuously improving our products quality and service standard to meet the satisfactions for customers from all over the world. Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact ConMac at any time. For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.conmac.cm.